Hi friends, in this video, we will learn more about the interactive mode for Python code execution. You can enter the interactive mode by launching the idle application. Just head to the Start menu and click on the folder named Python 3.9. Now, click on idle Python 3.9 64-bit. The Python interpreter pops up on the screen with which you can interact and directly execute statements. The version of Python interpreter is displayed on the top left. In this case, it is 3.9. The three greater than signs are together known as the Python prompt. It indicates that the interpreter is ready to take instructions in form of commands or statements. Input statements are instantaneously executed on the prompt, while any variable assignments are retained as long as session is not terminated. Let us now perform some basic arithmetic operations in the interactive mode. You can see how adding two integers 2 plus 2 instantaneously outputs 4 on the shell. When the integer 2 is multiplied with a real number 3.5, it instantaneously outputs the result 7.0. Instead of immediately displaying the results, we can also store them in variables using the equal to assignment symbol. A stores the value of 2 plus 2. B stores the value of an integer number 2 multiplied with a real number 3.5. We can access the values of A and B for future calculations directly on the prompt. Just enter A and B on the prompt and it outputs the corresponding values of A and B. We can also perform operations using these variables. For example, A multiplied by 5 will result in 20 and B when divided by 3 returns 2.33. Interactive mode is not just restricted to basic arithmetic or assignments. We can also play around with strings. For example, let us join two strings hello and world using the plus sign. The Python interpreter quickly outputs the result hello world. As a user, you can access the complete functionality of Python via the interactive mode. This makes it convenient for testing and provides instant execution of small code snippets, a feature not available in compiled languages like C, C++, or Java. However, the statements cannot be saved for future use and have to be retyped for re-execution. You can overcome this disadvantage by using Python in script mode, which we will discuss in the next video.